Hey guys, so today I have another video for you all. This is going to be a video showing the new MAC and PatrickStarrr collection. I have both kits right here. I have the Miso Chic and then the Miso Fleek. Originally I was just going to get the Miso Chic, but I got both. So I'm really excited to open these guys up and show you what comes inside these. So I got mine from Nordstrom. They just launched today in store, which is April 19th. So they're in stores now. They're at Nordstrom's. I'm pretty sure they're going to be at Bloomingdale's and then the MAC stores and counters as well. So first of all, what I really like about the collection is that each kit is $49.50, which is a steal because you do get 4 products in there. You get a lipstick, a lip gloss, a duo blush, and then an eyeshadow palette with 4 shades in there. So $49.50 is a really awesome deal for something like this. I love PatrickStarrr, as you all know, so I really wanted to get something from his new collection with MAC and support him. So I'm really excited. So the first thing in the box is you get a face chart, and this is for the Miso Chic box, so it just looks like that. In the box there's tissue paper, and then the first 2 things are the lip gloss and lipstick. So I really love the packaging. So this is the lip gloss. It has a really nice baby pink top, and this color is Mama Star Kiss. So I'm just going to do a little swatch and show you guys. That is just a really nice clear gloss with some shimmer in it. So that is Mama Star Kiss. Sorry, I have a really big comfy sweater on because it's really cold today. So, and it's rainy. So the next thing is the lipstick. So this is what the bullet looks like. And this is in the shade Sweet Mama Star. And this is the color. So that is Sweet Mama Star. And then the gloss. The other part of the box, this feels like the duo. It's pretty packaging. I love the baby pink. So that is what the blush duo compact looks like. And this is I'm Not Blushing powder duo. That is what it looks like. So honestly, I love the blush color. This, because I'm so fair, I can probably even use it as a bronzer, because I'm that light. And then the last part of the set is the quad, and this is what it looks like. And this is Stay With Me, and this is probably the one that I'm going to use the most. So it comes with Daddy Star, which is a matte, Yes, which is this one, which is a Volux Pearl. Then it comes with Queen Patrick, which is a frost, and I'm gonna butcher this, Bone Nuit, which is a matte. I don't say French words that well, so ignore that. So that is the Miso Chic collection. I'm just going to put that aside and open up the Miso Fleek collection, or kit, not collection. So the lipstick in this set is called Hey Boy Hey, which is a retro matte lipstick. I forgot to say what this was. Amplified Cream is Sweet Mama Star is an amplified cream. So this one is a retro matte, and it's a very vibrant purple, which looks so pretty. And the scent on these, all their lipsticks are vanilla scented, but these ones are like, they're so much stronger, the vanilla scent, but I'm not complaining because it smells good. So that is Hey Boy Hey. Lip gloss, or glass, is Queen P, and it looks like that. It's a very vibrant hot pink color with like pink shimmer, gold shimmer. Normally I don't wear like pink lip glosses like this. I wear more of like the should we close it up? I wear more of like the nude lip glosses and mauve-y lip glosses. But that's really pretty. The Powder Duo, and this is called Take Me Home. And it looks like this. This is definitely my favorite duo out of the two sets. I love like that top, like rosy, mauve-y kind of blush. So I'm really excited to try that one out on the cheeks. Oh, and I forgot to show you the face chart for this one. So this is the face chart for the Miso Fleek kit. The quad in this one is Play With Me. So this is Play With Me. In Living Pink, which is a frost. All's Rosy, which is a matte. Hickey, which is a frost. And In the Shadows, which is a frost. So that bright blue. A lot of palettes are having this bright blue in there lately, and I'm really excited to use it. And this is usually my all-time favorite color for my eyes. I usually like that in the crease, kind of what I'm wearing today. So I just wanted to do a little video showing the products and unboxing them, showing you guys the swatches, and definitely out of the two, I like the quad from the Miso Chic collection. I like this one just because it's more of that like purples. So you all know I like purples on my eyes. So definitely the Stay With Me palette is my favorite out of the two. But I do like the Powder Duo in the Miso Fleek collection better. And then also the lip products. I like the Mama Star lip gloss and lipstick. I'm really excited to try these products on my face and play with them. So you'll definitely see these in upcoming tutorials. So stay tuned for those. I just love getting new makeup, and I shouldn't be buying new makeup because I just had eye mats a few days ago. Or almost a week ago. So I should not be spending, but I have no self-control, as you all know. So those are the two kits from the PatrickStarrr Spring Collection. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you all in the next one.